Magandang umaga, Pilipinas! Welcome to Agri TV's Mad About Koi. Nandito pa rin po tayo sa Antipolo, dito po sa magandang tahanan ng aking kumpadre, kaibigan, Mr. Benji Reyes, and kanyang magandang may bahay ni si Kareng. Benj, maraming salamat ulit for having us, and then pinaunlakan mo kami dito po sa Agri TV's Mad About Koi. Magkukwentuhan tayo, you'll expound a little more about your koi experience. Go ahead, Benj.
Mahilig ako sa mga hayop, kaya kaibigan kita eh.
Parang kapatid ko na po ito si Benji.
Ayun. So, sa akin, ganun na lang yung association ko with, with my pets and the animals around me.
So, when you're creating something, Benj, in your art pieces, sculptor po kasi si Benji, you know, how does koi like energize you? Ikaw ba ay nakaupo sa pond mo na pinapanood mo ba yung koi? Or apektado ba yung yung mga work mo with regards to
Alam mo yung koi kasi is the pond, the koi, the plants around it. Alam mo kasi landscaping around the koi is the picture frame around the painting eh. Kasi ang koi kasi is a living jewel, no? For me, again, personally, tingin ko yung garden mo has to jive around the pond kasi yan nga yung picture frame. It completes the whole picture and experience, no? So yung koi is just part of that whole experience, from the plants to the fish to the architecture to your collection of art and everything. Mawala lang isa dyan, parang may kulang eh. Kasi you embrace yourself around that eh. Kasama yung mga koi doon, kasama yung pond doon.
With that said, meron tayo dati. Remember, may malaking koi tayo dyan.
I had Samantha. Chagoy.
Chagoy, yeah. This is the one I gave you.
You gave me the Chagoy. Umabot siya ng 105 centimeters, di ba? Oo, ang laki. Tapos kumakain sa kamay yun. Nayayakap ko sa bintana. Pag tinula ko, bumabalik sa akin.
Bumabalik. And suddenly, one day,
I came home, nakita ko na sa ilalim siya ng pond. Tumalon talaga ako sa pond. Kasi sabi ko, nangyari sa Samantha, hindi gumagalaw. No? Ayun. So, that was a very traumatic experience for me. Kaya after that, sabi ko, alam mo, it affected me. Pati trabaho ko na-apektuhan. Di ba? Pero ngayon kasi, as a whole ko na tinitignan. Hindi na individually. As a whole, pag nakita ko yung koi, magkakasama sila, lumalaw. Nakikita ko yung splashes of color and everything. That gets me. Yun yung ano ko. Yung enjoyment ko.
So does it, recharge you a lot as an artist?
It recharges me a lot. Of course, di ko nakalimutan yung mga tinuro mo sa akin noong unang panahon na, di ba, yung mga cuts ng color, na lumalaki pa yan, lalabas pa yung itim. Alam ko pa rin lahat yan. And sometimes I see, alam ko pag nag-collapse yung color, di ba, na tanggalin mo na, di ba?
And more than that, Benj, I think it's not the end, no? What the old saying means, the end does not justify the means, no? Pero ang connection naman doon is like, hindi po yung dulo na may koi ka. Ito yung natutunan mo.
Exactly.
Benji learned from more than 2 decades ago the rudiments of how to keep good koi. Kahit maubos yung koi collection niya, he still has it. All right, Benj, before we let you go, pare, please invite us, tell us what's cooking here sa tahanan. Ito po parang art museum po ito. Ang gaganda ng mga piyesa ni Benji, mga furnitures. Please tell our friends kung ano meron dito.
Tahanan is our home, ginawang bistro nung anak ko 7 years ago. You can come and visit, check out tahananbistro.com. Magandang view. We have a view of Laguna de Bay all the way to Alabang. And then the garden. And then you have the koi ponds. Makikita niyo yung mga koi dito.
And the most important thing, yung mga art pieces ni Benji. Like what I said, para po museum to. Dito lang po yan sa Agri TV's Mad About Koi. My name is Mike Hernandez with
Benji Reyes.
Kita-kits. Say bye-bye, Benji.
Bye-bye.